This is a Nerf blaster. I'm gonna blast my little brother. My brother knows how to block with my slippers though.
There's one rule that you can't hit people. Okay.
Get Damien.
No, you can get you too.
You. Ow. Okay. Press.
Hold it down.
Hold it down, you
Hold it. Just hold it.
Like this. No. Hold it.
You have to do this. You have to hold this.
Keep holding this and then put this button right there. Okay? Sorry. To what?
Doesn't work? I was jamming.
Yeah, it does. See, it works.
3 bullets he shot out.
Well, he got it the wrong leg, like upside down. Now he did it. He's doing it right now.
Now put the other button down.
Let's go.
Hold the one button and then keep holding that
Mitri,
little button. and
Mitri,
then
do it,
hit the big
Mitri.
one.
Mitri, do it. Shoot Sissy!
Alright, Sissy's turn.
Both these buttons.
Can't hit me.
Oh, it's out.
Yeah, he didn't.
Good shot.
Me.
Hey,
Found it.
good shot.
Okay, now
Good
my turn.
shooting.
No.
Okay, Mitri, I got you. Don't do that. I'm out.
Good job, Trin.